What if I told you? You don't need a job, office, or even a big investment to make money online in 2026? Right now, thousands of people are making $100, $500, even $1,000 per day just by selling digital products. And the best part? You create it once and sell it forever. In this video, I'm going to show you top 5 digital products that are exploding in 2026 and how you can start selling them, even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure you watch till the end, because product number 5 is the easiest way to start with zero experience. Section 1. What are digital products? Before we jump in, let's understand this quickly. Digital products are things you can sell online, without shipping, without inventory, without headache. Examples: ebooks, online courses, templates, AI tools. Once you create them, you can sell unlimited copies. No stock, no delivery issues. Just pure profit. And that's why digital products are one of the fastest growing online businesses in the USA right now. Product number 1. Online courses. Visual, laptop plus teaching clips. Online courses are the king of digital products. People are always ready to pay to learn. Skills, business, fitness, AI tool, side hustles. Example, you can create a course like How to Make Money with Ari, YouTube Automation for Beginners, Instagram Growth Secrets, and sell it for $49, $99, or even $499. Why it works in 2026. AI is booming. People want fast learning. Remote income is trending. How to create. Pick a skill. Record simple videos, mobile is enough. Upload on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, Kajabi. Pro tip: you don't need to be an expert. Just be one step ahead of your audience. Product number 2, ebooks. Visual, Kindle reading. Ebooks are one of the easiest ways to start. You don't need camera, MIC, editing, just knowledge plus writing. Ideas: how to earn money online. Beginner AI guide. Fitness plan. Budget planning. Pricing: $5 to $50. Tools: ChatGPT for writing help. Canva for design. Why it works. Low effort. High demand. Easy to scale. Strategy: sell on Amazon Kindle. Gumroad. Your own website. Product number 3. Templates and digital files. Visual, Canva templates, planners. This is one of the highest demand products in 2026. People don't want to create from scratch. They want ready-made solutions. Examples: resume templates, Instagram post templates, YouTube thumbnails, Notion planners, business kits. Price: $10 to $100 plus. Tools: Canva, Notion, Photoshop. Why it works. High demand. Passive income. Fast to create. Platforms: Etsy, Gumroad. Creative market. Product number 4. Ari prompts and tools. Visual, AI tools, futuristic look. This is the hottest trend in 2026. People are using AI, but they don't know how to use it effectively. That's where you come in. What you can sell. ChatGPT prompts. Mid-journey prompts. AI business kits. Automation workflows. Pricing: $10 to $200. Example: 100 ChatGPT prompts for making money. AI content creator pack. Why it's powerful. Huge demand. Low competition, still growing. High profit margins. Product number 5. Memberships and community. Visual, private group, community. This is the easiest way to build monthly passive income. Instead of selling once, you charge every month. Example: private Telegram group, Discord community, premium content access. Pricing: $5 per month to $50 per month. Why it works: recurring income, loyal audience, long-term growth. Strategy: provide tips, exclusive content, support, updates, bonus, how to sell digital products. Now the real question: how do you sell these products? 3 simple methods. 1. YouTube. Create videos, build trust, sell product. 2. Instagram or TikTok. Short content, viral, reach traffic. 3. Email marketing. Collect emails, sell repeatedly. Common mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Waiting for perfection. Not promoting your product. Choosing wrong niche. Giving up early. Remember, done is better than perfect. Final motivation. Look, 2026 is the best time to start. AI is growing. Online income is booming. Opportunities are everywhere. The only thing missing is action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like thumbs up sign, subscribe bell, and comment below. Which digital product are you going to start? I'll personally reply and help you out, Speech Balloon. See you in the next video.